Hey guys, it's the day before the penguin dig. I worked overnight doing some painting, so I stayed awake all morning, and I figured I'd head out and hit the cellar hole. Me and Todd been here, me and Frank have been here, Danny, George Pescia, but they gave up a lot of colonial coins, buckles and stuff, but they completely devastated the cellar hole and the barn with logging. You can see how bad it is. There's what's left of one barn. There's another barn there, but over by that big maple right there, right to the left, is the cellar hole. It's all covered up. They completely destroyed the whole site. But it opened up a few areas, and I got a little flat button over there, a little cuff button on the other side of those branches. Then I dug a copper down here, and about 5 feet from the copper, I think I got a shoe buckle. This used to be all twiggy down in here. You can see they cut a lot of the stuff, piled it up. So sometimes it's a good thing, sometimes it's a bad thing when they log like this. I wish they'd clear all these branches out and chip them up, but I dug the copper right there next to my bag, and then right over here I got like a 47 signal. It must be an iron tongue and shape. It's a brass buckle, but I can't see what's in the center yet. I would say it's iron, but here's the copper. I don't know what it is yet. It rang up like 77. Here's a little cuff button. And here's the buckle here. Oh. It's definitely a shoe buckle. I wonder why it rings so low though. Maybe the iron's in the hole with it. Alright, I'll get back to you if I get something else good. Alright, I'm swinging the MXT All Pro. I just dug that shoe buckle right over there. 2 swings later, I get a 32-35 signal. I thought it was going to be a shotgun shell. I was going to film it. It was only 2 inches deep, and I got a little tiny knee buckle here. Sweet. Yep. Okay, I'll get back to you.